we divide 264 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 6 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down the number beside this 4 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 0. So 264 divided by 2 is 132. So this much for today and thanks for watching.